Today my topic is nut and bolt. The nut and bolt are generally used for joint the two piece with the help of the nut and bolt. The nut and bolt are generally coming in the category in the temporary fastening. It can be easily removed or it cannot be tied. It can be easily tied with the help of the different type of the spanners like open spanners, close mouth spanners. The nut and bolt is made of a alloy steel, low carbon steel, medium carbon steel. The nut are available in the market in a different shape and size like a lock nut, flange nut, cap nut, dome nut, wing nut and ring nut. The bolt are available in a market in a two types. The head hexagonal head types or square head types bolt are available in the market, and also available in the market in a metric system or inches system. So here this is the bolt, the rag bolt, curve bolt, lew bolts or quarter bolts. These are the special type of the bolts. These type of the bolts are called the foundation bolts. Called the foundation bolts. The foundation bolts is also made of alloy steel, low carbon steel, medium carbon steel. So how to manufacture the nut and bolt in the industries like a lathe machine? If you want to make the 50 pieces in a workshop, any others palaces, then you will be use the lathe machine. This angle is 30 degree in a chamfering. So this type of the angle is made by the single point cutting tool on by the use of a lathe machine. So by the use of a milling machine, this type of the head, this is the head. The head is made by the use of a milling machine with the help of a special type of the jig and fixtures. So by the forging, so how to forging, so if you want to making the nut and bolt in a mass production, then will be used this type of the process are used by forging. Hot forging and cold forging are used to manufacturing this bolt and nut. This is the diameter. The diameter of the bolt. Okay, you will be take is here. This is the height of the head, the 0.70 or 0.80 here. The diameter is bolt is here 40. So you will put this value the 0.7, 40, 28, 0.8, 40, 32. It means that you will be take the height of the head 28 to 32 height. This is the height of this bolt. The height of the bolt, this type of the bolt are available in the two types, the metric types or inch types. In a metric type, the angle, the flank angle, this is the flank angle, the angle of this thread in a 60 degree in a metric 1.75, 1.5, 1.25. It means that this is the coarse, this is the medium type, this is the fine type bolt. This is 0.5, 0.54 pitch. This is the depth of thread. This is the depth of thread in a metric. So metric thread are right in this way. So available in this market in like this M8, M10 or M12. So inches system, the angle, the flank angle of this thread 55 degree. So 20 TPI thread per inch. Thread per inch means 25.4 divided by 12, 2.11 mm. 2.1 mm means this is the distance between two thread. So 2.1 mm. So 2.1 mm to 12 thread per inch. It means this is the distance 1 inch. 1 inch means 25.4. To in a 25.4 to have a 12 thread. So 16 TPI to 1.54 or 12 1.58. So 1. This is a pitch. So in this system, in this, what will be the difference between two them? This is the coarse type bolt, this is the fine type thread, this is the fine type. The fine type thread are generally used for the boiler high pressure purpose. The coarse type bolt are generally used for the heavy duty like a truck, machinery parts and bus, any others. This type of the thread are used. In a coarse type thread are used. So the metric thread are available in the market in this way: 3 by 8 inch, 5 by 16 inch, 1 by 16 inch. So 1 inch. So 1 inch is equal to 8 shoot. 1 inch is equal to 8 shoot. So 1 shoot is equal to 3.3 mm. तो 3.3 mm, तो 3.8 मीन्स तो 8 क्रॉस 3, तो 3 सूत मीन्स 3.3399, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 10 mm, approximately 10 mm. The 3 सूत means approximately 10 mm. This is the size in a metric thread. This is a inches thread. This is the AF. AF means across the flat. AC across the cross section. The cross section area corner to corner you will be take the 2D, a flat to flat. The diameter less than diameter 12. Less than diameter 12, you will be take this dimension 1.25D plus 6. The more than 12 mm diameter, then you will be take the 1.5D plus 12. And this is this type of the flat to flat dimension for the general purpose. So you will be take the 1.5D. So this is the across to across to 2D. 2D means 2 into 40. So this is the dimension you will be take the 80. So this is the length of thread. The length of thread is up to the 150 mm. Up to the 150 mm. Then you will be take this length 2D plus 6. So more above. So above the 150 length, this length. So then you will be take the 2D plus 12. This is length you will be 2D plus 12. So how to check? This is a washer. So washer are available in the market in 3 types. The plain washer, flange washer, and spring washer. So this is the drawing of the plain washer. The thickness of this washer divide the internal diameter of this washer d plus minus 0.5. 0.5 it is a tolerance. Agar the washer is easily mounted on this diameter of the bolt. Agar this is the outer diameter. Outer diameter of the bolt you will be take the 2D plus 3. 2D plus 3. This is the sectional view. This is the sectional view. The drawing is made in a first angle projection. So you can see here and draw the opposite side of this side. This is a first angle projection. So how to tight? How different type of the spanner are used for the nut. This is a spanner used. So 1.5D into 8. If the diameter of the bolt, then you will be use this 12 mm number spanner are used. So 1.5D. This is the 1.5D are used. So 1.5D are used. So 1.5 into D. D is 10. So then you will be use it 15. 15 number is spanner are used to tighten the nut. So 1.5 into this is the you can calculate this dimension. Then you will be use this open type or closed type spanner are used for tightening the nut and bolt, tightening and closing the nut and bolt. Then you will be use this formula for the different type of the spanners are used to tightening the bolt. How to check the strength of this bolt? How to check the strength of the bolt? So you will see on this head here the 4-8 number, 4-6, 4-5 number is marked here. So 4-8 means this is the 4. The 4 torque. This is the tensile strength. This is the torque. So 4 into multiply 100. So it means that 100 is a, this is the 100. 400 is a megapascals. This is the tensile strength of this bolt. So 400 of 8%. 8% means 320. 320 this type of the megapascal strength is used for the tightening. This is the torque. This is the torque for tightening are used. This bolt, the capacity of tightening the bolt is up to the 320 megapascals. So this is this type of the bolt thread are used rating in here M10 into 1.5, and in a metric system or inches system 3/8 1/2 inch writing is here in this way. So this is this type of the different type of the how to draw the bolt on a drawing sheet. This is so you can draw a center line and is here 20. If the diameter 40, 20 is line here. This is 20 equal to 20 is line here. This is a perpendicular line is here. Then from this side, so 0.7d. So you can calculate this formula. So this is the this you can take this dimension 28 or 32. Draw a line. Draw a line like this. So this is the here. So you can see this here. This circle is drawn here. This circle is drawn here. This is the 40 degree. This is line is here. Angle is draw a 30-degree chamfers. They cross this line here. They cross this line, and this is the line here. And for this, if you want to perform this radius, the radius is you will be take equal to the 1.2d. So 1.2d, that 48. The compass is here. 48 is like this. This line is crosses here. This line is crosses here. This line is also crosses here. This is the point. So you can draw this line. This you can draw like this, or other way. So this is the 30 angle. Point A and point B bisect this line. Point A and point B bisect this line. This is the and this 30 angle. Same is procedure here. The cross is here. This is the center of this line, or this here. You can draw a circle like this. You can draw a circle like this. So you can make the head, okay, with the help draw a with the help of a compass and a scale. Different type of the so this is the this drawing is made in a first angle projection. First angle projection is seeing here. This is you are seeing here this project, and draw the opposite side of this. This is the first angle projection. Different type of the different and nut and bolt play a very important role in industries to assemble the different type of the machine part and other parts with the help of a nut and bolt. I hope that you will like my lecture. Thank you very much.